Hi, good morning everyone. So I am talking about this app called NoMenu. So if you are a restaurant owner and if you are managing already existing restaurants, this application will solve the problem of your uh, customers where the people are standing in a lot of lines or waiting for uh, waiting staff to communicate with the customer to take the orders. This app is so much simplified for you. Customers come and they just scan the QR code and they order items. It just directly appear in the kitchen. That's it. The kitchen staff have a lot of work to manage the kitchen and then take the orders whatever it is come first serve. They a minimalist team is enough for you for the customer to serve instantly. So this application works for various categories where you control the money completely. Just use the application with a minimal fee. You don't need to have purchase lot of heavy devices like TVs, monitors, headset or anything. Okay, you are spending a lot of money and paying a lot of subscriptions for the applications like um, Owner, Clover, and there is another application called Toast. Okay, people are almost all the US restaurants are paying a lot of money for these applications, but providing a service. This is a completely cloud-based application. You don't have any physical device needed. You bring your own device like iPad or any TV like cheap device. You can stick into the in the screen. You can set up on your own. Okay, it's just an application. Use the tab and you can invite your staff also to seamlessly see and manage the orders. Okay, you can manage front of the house when people are standing waiting areas. You can allocate the seats and arrangement, everything you can do it. Okay, and you can and customers give the feedback also. You can instantaneously you can actually get the feedback and you can seamlessly communicate with the customer before he go out and talk about your restaurant very badly in Yelp or Google. Okay, so we built a platform where instantly giving a gratification or reward also for the people. Once they have the food in the restaurant, they can give you can bring them into a rewarding platform where they don't have to create a lot of membership plans or anything. Just with their phone contact they can become a VIP member, and you can give a reward for if they're the more number of visits. Also if they visit for your restaurant, it just help them a lot. Okay, so it's just a simple platform where customer scans the QR, order the food by selecting the menu items, place it, that's it. No middleman required, no heavy equipment needed, just you manage your entire restaurants. Let me show you actually how the things will go. Okay, with this application. Here is I already logged in to the NoMenu portal. So this is how the dashboard look like. If your restaurant is busy, okay, you can keep it. If it is getting more slammed, okay, you just keep 45 minutes interval. Okay, so that the user who scan the QR can actually see that, okay, I order the food, it will take at least minimum 25 to 30 minutes or 45 minutes. It's up to you how you manage the restaurant, that it's in control. Okay, um, as a restaurant owner or staff, you can manage this application by just clicking this. Okay, now how do you create menus? Okay, just click the button add menu here. There are already two menus which I created. It's very straightforward and simple. Okay, if your restaurant have uh, like menus categories. Okay, so if you have a breakfast menu or lunch menu or dinner menu or any ice cream or anything wine list or whatever, okay, you can specify the specific menu name, and you can it's mostly a la carte, all day, like it's a category. Okay, it doesn't matter whichever the category that you are choosing here. So it just all day menu. You can create one menu for entire restaurants, or you can create segregate multiple um, menus as well. Okay, I recommend like minimum each restaurant will be having 3 to or 4. Okay, if you have some specifically any hotel rooms, maybe you can categorize, or cabanas or resorts or seat in theaters or anything. Also you can categorize how many menus required and what kind of pricing that you can define for that specific menu. Okay, you can create as much as you want. Okay, let me create one lunch today. Okay, just I kept a random name. So it's a all day, okay, menu. Just I'm selecting. So this AI writer will actually uh, help you to write about the content based on the keywords that you specified in the menu, okay. And your restaurant have tables where you are serving the food for the customers. So think like, okay, and you are giving a for this menu you are charging like some tax, like maybe 2%, 2.2%, and service fee maybe 1% or 1.5, it depend, okay. You can flat charge anything, okay. So now I'm just creating menu. It's so simple that you created your menu. That's it. Now how do you add an items? Okay, here you can see, if the customer don't wanted to access this menu, you can just turn off. That's it. He can't able to access. But if you enable, yes, he can able to access, okay. You can delete it. You can, if you wanted to edit something, you can edit it, okay. And if you wanted to show some social medias anywhere, you can actually do that also, okay. This is specifically designed for dine-in, so yeah. And if you want to see QR, if you want to see the menu items how it looks, yeah, this is how the theme looks of that menu, okay. Now let me add some menu items, okay. Just click the button made menu. We have three categories. How you use this? If you have an existing menu, okay, uh, which is the current restaurants that you have, or else if you are building your own products, it's totally, if you have any custom photo is there of the menu, you just take the photo, upload here. It's so straightforward and so simple, okay. Let me walk through you how it gonna be, okay. Work on that, okay. Just I'm showing you, this is one of the, I think one of the sample resume, sorry, sample menu. I just uploaded. Simple, okay, straightforward. It has maybe 20 plus items are there listed in this uh, Word document or PDF. You can upload PDF or JPG file or WebP application of that menu. You can upload it. If it contains 60 items, yes, it just show you, okay. Okay, there are four categories are found and 18 items total, okay. So here is the, see, you see here, this is the cold coffee, this is the names of that, and image generation. So we had we so I recommend everyone use to free here. The people who already subscribed, they already have the credits. I'm just showing here one credit is available at this point of time for this particular domain. I'm just using a demo here. So every membership will get minimum 25, I mean 25, 50 and 75 based on the category. So ideally it just take that credits and create the images for you. If not, you just try to create the free image library. So it just pull from our existing library and create a beautiful menu instantaneously. You don't need to burden on working on a lot of stuff, okay. Just that's it, okay. It's so simple. And if you wanted to, okay, we have existing templates that we kept, okay. So you can take this categorization of the templates where you can choose what are the categories, and then you edit on top of it also. It's so simple and so beautiful, so you can do that, okay. If you wanted to change or something, you can delete it, you can edit it, whatever you can do. If the menu when the customer scans, if the item is not available, you just stop here so that the customer can see it's a sold out, they can't see in the menu, okay. Now let me go through here, show you how the user looks like when they click the menu, okay. So this is, I showed you before it was empty. Now you see, they can actually see pretty good here. Customer can see, select the item, click it, and you can mention, okay. Simple, my name is Sunil, I just kept Sunil, and I'm sitting in the table 10, okay. Just I place an order. It's so simple, customer actually can see how much to be paid at the please pay at the counter, and you can also see the receipt also. You don't have to use a device to give a printout for the customer and keep yourself, okay. It's a lot of waste of power, okay. We are eradicating that, okay. Okay, order received by the restaurant, you can close it, okay. And you also, the customer can actually see, okay, again, okay. This is something very beautiful. See, you already kept the wait time is 20-25 minutes, okay. Customer has to wait that he already know. You are pre-informing the customer as well, okay. Now let me go to, now you created the menu and the menu items, and let me customize. You don't like this theme anymore, so I just I don't want the customer can see this menu. Maybe it's not that great. Okay, let me go here, select that particular lunch today menu and enabling it, and then I'm selecting something Lumina. We have beautiful like 12 plus themes are there, which are very wonderful, where industry accepted themes these are. You can save the brand. That's it. You just go. If the customers, they don't need to worry about it. They can scan the same QR and it just change. Okay, it's a black theme. Okay, and if you want something else, yes, we have a beautiful themes where they can actually see how the menus looks like. Okay, see how beautiful it is. This how it is, so simple. Okay, now 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 let me go to help you how to generate the QR codes. Okay, so QR codes are something which is unique here. So what I'm showing is, suppose your restaurant have like 20 tables, okay, where a number of peoples are able to sit, or you have 10 tables or 5 tables, okay, or if you have like one table or one menu, how do you manage? It's totally up to you. Suppose I have 10 tables in my restaurant, so I can keep the table. Okay, 10 tables means I have to go to bulk order, go here. It's a main dining. So I actually, I mean, I have two category areas. Okay, I have a outside or poolside or main dining area or rooftop. It's totally up to the zone that you can create. Okay, and I'm just creating here something main dining area. Now dine table, I just kept the table prefix dine table, and I have like three dine tables. Okay, I'm starting with one. Okay, and the menu is linked with this lunch today. Let's generate. So it's so quickly in the dining area created three QR codes. So what it does is you just select these three and you actually customize, so you don't have to worry about giving the QR code to someone else and prepare something. Okay, you just design something. We have already existing beautiful QR designers are there. You can actually instantaneously take it and you can select it. If you want logo, you can add it. Okay, simple, and then just download it. Okay, all the tables, three QR codes of that particular application will be downloaded, and you can take the printout of each and you can keep in each dine table 1, dine table 2, dine table 3, all these three QRs. This is how it is, so simple. So that we designed. Now now let me, now the customer goes to the dining table, just scan the QR. Okay, they'll get a beautiful menu like this. They place an order and they get, and as a restaurant owner you manage the kitchen. That's it. Now I just shown you like, as I shown you the customer how he ordering. Now let's see how the owner will receive that. Okay, now you see the customer presently placed an order, correct? Now I'm just showing another order. Okay, where customer is, okay, maybe table 10, table 9, whatever. Okay, now place an order. You see here, then order is populated. Now you, the kitchen can do is, it's a order first come first order, like whatever the priority that you want to choose. Okay, just drag and drop. Okay, now the customer actually can see the order is within a milliseconds. It just change from order received, order preparing. I'm sorry, I'm showing the previous one, but it is order preparing. So you can actually see here. So here in these two categories, so your order is received, which is standing in this lane, and they are not moved here. You're waiting maybe few minutes of time as a customer. They can actually cancel. The moment it cancel, it disappear. It goes to, okay, cancellation. Okay, simple as that. You can later verify as a restaurant owner why they cancelled and how do you manage these orders and all. So if it is in preparation state, they have to explicitly request so that you have to approve or not. It's totally restaurant owner control. Okay, yeah, okay. And if it is, if they, and you can, once they serve the food, okay, you, once it is ready, they actually see it is ready, it is done. So people bring the food to you. food to the give the customer. Okay, as a kitchen owner, you are just giving the food to the table. Okay, now how do you know which table they are serving? They mentioned table 1, whether it is table 10. If some people will be scanning somewhere else and they order something, some mistakes happen. But how do you track it? Okay, that's the beauty here. Okay, so okay, that's the beauty is we are capturing the name of the person. Okay, you can just re-verify once, is this Sunil with the table then. Okay, just to double confirmation. Okay, so now if they paid, well and good, done. Now customer sometime don't like the food while having the food. There is a button here. So what he says is, I don't like the food. The food is very bad food. Okay, so what should I do? Do I have to give all the details? Very bad food, I don't like. Some people like to give the contact, but some people don't measure up the people, they don't give the contact. Very bad food. Okay, so the moment the customer given the feedback, so speak to our manager. Oh, this is something which is interesting. Okay, when they click the button, customer, yes, I wanted to speak. That's it. There is a sound came directly into that board where the customer actually alerted. Okay, what's happening? There is a request from the customer. The food is very bad. Okay, okay. They anonymously gave this. Oh God, how do I track about it? You see here, you don't know anything. But actually, if the customer actually scan the QR, okay, I'm just showing you this this one. Okay, I'm just showing you this one. So the difference between this here is actual location where they order the food. Okay, now I'll just show you again. See here, yes. Now you refresh here. Okay, you see dining table 1 have a manager request, a table. So the moment you see, okay, there is something, okay, waiting for it. Okay, so you may ask, okay, why it did not show. So we were showing in the menu items. Okay, the menu, I was just clicking this one to show you how it look like. So this menu is a generic menu where you can keep in outside. Okay, not the particular dining table that you know. You just keep a look and feel of how it is. Okay, so you can keep it. Okay, you can actually change this to instead of ordering with money, you can just preview also. You can do that. Okay, so that is totally customizable, so that you can manage later. Okay, now for time, now the customer can actually type. Okay, the food is really bad. Okay, I ordered this, uh, not good, those are not good, something. Okay, so immediately it will get to know to the restaurant owner. Okay, what is in those is not good. Okay, so what you can do is, customer actually said something which is not good, so you can go immediately attend this table, talk with them, resolve the issue. You can change the timing and whatever. Okay, based on the request. You can, as of now it is requesting like 1 minute, right? So you can change that to up to whatever the time that you can give to that. Okay, so yeah, and customer actually see this. Did they come? No, they don't. Then you by default you are offering something, okay, which you can actually manage in your customer feedback form, where you can actually uh, write up something to give an offer for them if in case that you are not able to attend. Okay, that is something smart thing that we did, so that customer don't yell at you, or else don't your reputation of the restaurants won't go. Okay, so that is something which we implemented here. Okay, so that is one the beautiful thing that we did. And with respect to orders, and you can actually see what is the total orders. So we did place one order, and you can see the what is the current track of that, how the order conversions are happening, what kind of items that are being sold, and what is bottom performance items. Okay, you can monitor this one, so that you can take analytics on top of it. Okay, and historical trend, like you can see what are the historical trend. And if you have an existing, we are integrating with two platforms, with Stripe and Square POS. If you have so the money, if the customer is paying money through the order, it will directly land to your system. Okay, we don't charge any fee. It's a 0% for first 1 year for every order. Okay, money customers pay, just go. Stripe will if you have a Stripe account, that just collect to you. Okay, That's it. And you know what? We have one more beautiful program that we did is referender. As a restaurant owner, you can actually share this to someone and you can actually be a partner, okay? If they subscribe for a yearly plan of anything, you get 10% of it, okay? That's it. No questions asked. It will be added to your payout account here. After 60 days, you can either withdraw or you can upgrade to this platform. Okay, and and there is one more beautiful thing that I wanted to tell you here is front of the house. Okay, if your restaurant is occupied with a lot of people, okay, this is how you manage. You have the tables here, you defined it. If you want more tables or if you don't want the less tables, you can just change everything. Okay, you can change the tables, add the tables or delete the tables. It's totally, if you have multiple floors, you can actually create multiple tables. Okay, if you don't want this, you can actually delete the table. If you have more tables, okay, suppose I have table number 1, I have capacity of 7. Okay, then yes, I'm just creating 7. Okay, 7. Okay, and you know what, you have dining area, floor area, rooftop or whatever. Okay, you can just actually select it, just save it. You just created a front of the house. Now, how waiting list act? Okay, suppose your restaurant staff, you're already occupied with a lot of seats. Okay, there is a person who came to the restaurant. Okay, who wanted to wait. Okay, you told like just wait for 2 people had come. Just wait for 10 minutes or 5 minutes, or we will let you know, sir. Like that, you just tell them. So the front end of, okay, then so they actually click this, they check where they wanted to sit. So we have 3 areas where you wanted to sit. Okay, you can actually manage. You want to go dining area 11, seat 11, just confirming them. Okay, that's it. They actually, their floor is booked, their seat number is booked, and the people go and dine in there. That's it, it is already occupied. Okay, that's how, so simple. If you have a list of like 20 people or 30 people waiting, you can actually manage the entire floor. Okay, once the customers went, you can actually just clear that, so it will be available for them. Okay, so simple, so sophisticated. That's it, so beautiful. See, if you are manually taking the money, so we have plans where the manually 100% controlled money by the restaurant owner. We just want this only application. Yes, you can do that. So there is a table number 10. Okay, the person's name ordered that. So since they paid already, so it disappeared. For now, I just kept to show you for a limited time. Once it completed the transaction, you will actually see that they already paid at the specific amount of time. Yeah, okay, that's so cool. Okay, so and this is the plans that we have pro plan, elite plan and enterprise plan. Okay, so I'm just showed you so far elite plan. Okay, so in the pro plan, it's unlimited menus and items, and you can manage the table manager, interact with the floors and everything. Okay, whatever it showed here, everything you can manage here. And digital waiting system. Okay, okay, digital waiting system, yes, that I showed you just now. And team and staff, you can request your staff to particular dedication. Front of the page staff, you can actually manage our dashboard, our entire application with order page or this kitchen face. Okay, okay, that here is two things that I forgot to show you. You can make it pop-up window. Okay, where you can connect your TV and you can put into the panel. Okay, they just somebody who has to manage. Okay, they have to drag and drop something. You can use an iPad or something where they can just only see the screen. Okay, something, or else make it as a full screen where they can actually navigate and everything and do. Okay, that is something this KDS display is there. Okay, now let me show you the 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 part of remaining. Okay, we are giving monthly 25 magic credits, so you will be accumulated. You can create 25 beautiful AI images. Just okay, beyond that, if you want more, you can actually create. If the restaurants wanted to change multiple menus, they can do that. And private customer feedback, that is instantly, that is available. And we have another implemented process. Okay, so so whenever the customer go here and give the feedback, okay, he like the food and it is awesome. Okay, when they give 4 or 5, okay, the moment they give, we are giving them. Okay, so you are a loyalty customer, you want to become a loyalty partner. Okay, I just give. Okay, Okay, so some number I have given, I'm just fading it here, but in the production system you will see everything is accurate. Okay, now this is the loyalty card. So here how it works, show the stamps around to n more stamps. So basically, so whenever you visit next time, you just show you have the loyalty, you become already loyalty member. Okay, so here 10 stamps equal to one free item. If you visited 10 times, okay, you get a rewarded, and they can give a free item, of whether it may be food or anything. It's totally manageable by the restaurant, so you can actually become a part of it. Okay, so the designs are showing you a little various colors that is completely managed uh, at the front of the dashboard. Okay, so in the feedback, go to loyalty design. Yes, here it is. Okay, okay, you can actually change. Okay, you can change the color of it, everything you can actually change. Okay, okay, that's how it is designed. Okay, so when they visit the next time, so what it does is, so the rest customer, they come here and they wanted to revisit. Okay, so they has to go to the staff, and then staff will regenerate this, and they scan their phone, so that they will get one more point here. Okay, so to avoid the fraud, we are asking customer to bring their phone to scan the QR. Okay, so that way you will be have a as a restaurant owner, you will be confirmed that the person is genuinely paid, so that you are giving a credit. Once after hitting the 10 credits, okay, you can actually put some information here in the loyalty program, what kind of reward that you are giving. Okay, you can change it based on anything. You can show the okay, you can, you are making your restaurant to engage the customers, and they frequently bring them back. Okay, so that's the beauty of it. Okay, you can give whatever the offer that you would like to give, but yes, that is controlled by you. Okay, and here is the list of loyalty member data also, that you can see how many stamps they visited, the person who visited 3 times. Okay, and they have visiting, and everything is there. Okay, that's how we beautifully implemented this product. Okay, I hope you like, and I hope your restaurant makes a lot of money. So an instant gratification by giving the feedback of the customer will actually make your restaurant to grow in prosperity. That's why I wish, so this product definitely help for the lot of new restaurant owners, uh, or the existing restaurant owners, to save a lot of money for the devices and equipments, and also the waiting staff. Okay, it's seamlessly very smooth to operate your day-to-day operations on the restaurants. Okay, um, these are the prices that we have up to Pro and Elite. Pro can actually only see the menu, but they can't order. Elite is the ideal plan for uh, most of the restaurants, where they control completely money from your side, and then operate this entire application. Okay, everything is accessible entire system. Okay, and we have and the enterprise plan, which is uh, two more options like takeaway and priority reserve. Okay, if the customer wanted to come ahead and they wanted to order the food, you can integrate the money also, so that you avoid the fraud. Okay, takeaway also the same way how it works. And first 1 year, it will be completely 0% transaction fee, and we can negotiate if you plan to upgrade with us. Okay, and we are not only giving an offer uh, for the referral, and also when you subscribe for annual. Okay, okay, we give 10% off if sub, and we have a program called partners program. Yes, so if you want to become a partner, okay, the restaurant owner already a partner, so he will get his benefit. But if any person who is a social media or influencers, okay, if you wanted to be a part of also, yes, you can join this program as well. Okay, it's apply free, but we'll see what is the credibility that you have with the scope of this application. Based on that, whenever you refer someone, we give additionally 15% for the restaurant owner who subscribe annually. Okay, so that's the offers that we are giving. And if you have any problem with the application or anything, you can contact always instantly here. um, and we can come, you can, it will go to the customer care, they will immediately call you and resolve, or else they can email you to solve the problem. Okay, that's how beautifully we simplified this process of restaurant. I hope you like it, and I hope uh, your restaurant will grow with prosperity. Thank you so much.